Hello and welcome back to another one of my videos. So, I want to talk to you guys today about my YouTube journey. Basically, how I got started on YouTube, why I decided to use YouTube, and where I plan on taking YouTube from here on out. So if you're new to this channel, you've never seen my content before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Make sure you click that bell notification so you're notified when all new videos come out. And to show YouTube you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. All right, so getting into the video. This is my YouTube journey. Now it's going to be different for everyone when they start, and it's also going to be different depending on what you want to do with YouTube. When I first started YouTube, it was just barely coming out. Yes, I'm that old, where YouTube basically was barely coming out. And at the time, it wasn't really a platform that I was kind of interested in. I really wasn't doing much on video. I wasn't really doing much as far as social media because it was just, those were all barely just coming out on the scene. So I started getting into YouTube a little more when I started figuring out that you could actually present a lot of, let's say, how-to videos, give people important information, show value. And at the time, they were coming out with monetization. So I said, hey, it might be a good platform to be on that I can monetize, start making an income, later on a full-time income, and I can live off of that and do it anywhere around the world. So that is something I decided to do with YouTube, but I didn't really have a direction. So most of my videos were based on apps and stuff that I was just figuring out, new iPhones that were coming out, whatever was going on in the movies for reviews. I did things that I went to, like Comic-Con conventions, things like that. So I didn't know kind of what direction I was doing. I didn't know where to take the channel. So that was since 2013 when I started. So then I decided now, in 2020, now that we've been home a lot more, to start really focusing on this channel on really what you guys that are my viewers want to see. So I kind of looked in my analytics and saw, and now I kind of have an idea of my direction on where I want to take this. Now, what my plan is to start off with the first set of videos, giving you guys value, showing you the videos that you want to see, and then let's work from there. Let's see if I continue that path of giving you guys those, or do I start adding in more stuff about what's going on daily and things like that? Because as you know, whatever the normal was before is no longer going to be now. Everything is going to be changed. Society, life, all that stuff's going to be changed. The way we work online, what we present to you guys is going to be changed. So all that stuff's going to be different. So now I'm going to have to revamp my YouTube channel and make it what I want to make it. Now you figure I've been on YouTube for about 8 years, since 2013, and I'm still not making a full-time income. Now, let me tell you the reasons for that. It's not because I haven't been pushing myself hard and doing what I'm supposed to do. It's because YouTube itself has been evolving. And so YouTube has been going through a lot of issues. There's been a lot of changes. There's been a lot of, things dealing with kids content. So YouTube has been evolving. And since those evolutions that YouTube has been going through, I think that's what's kept my income as far as YouTube down low. It's still coming, but it's a very low income. So now, being where YouTube is at this point now, I'm going to work on what YouTube's algorithm is asking for, what YouTube is doing, and what my viewers are wanting to see. And let's see if I can bring my YouTube channel up to where it needs to be. So as long as you're subscribed, as long as you have that bell notification ticked, you'll get all my new videos as they come out. And right now it should be about one a week. So each week you should get a new video, new video, new video. Eventually, when I see that my time has changed, my schedule is a little bit better, then I'll try to bump it up to 2 a week. So you're getting more and more content. And I'm going to start presenting to you guys a lot of stuff that I've been seeing you guys want to see. So if you have any questions on that, if there's any content that you're interested in, whether it be tech-wise, entertainment-wise, lifestyle, whatever, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notification, because that's the only way YouTube is going to let you know when new videos come out. So that so far has been my journey on YouTube. I plan on continuing my journey on YouTube and allowing my value and my knowledge to come out and spread to you guys so you can future-proof your life so that you're ready for anything that comes in our supposed new normal life. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed my story. And I hope to see you in more future videos. Thank you again for watching.